In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Atl.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser. Simply search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on it. Scroll down and then you have to look for the system type. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. Here is your system type. So click the download button corresponding to that. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once done, click on the folder icon. Right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Go to Windows folder. Locate System 32. So if you are 64-bit Windows, go to System 32. If you are 32-bit, go to SYSWOW 64. So I'm a 64-bit, so I'm going to System 32. Right click and then select paste. Click on replace the file in the destination, and after doing so, you have to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ redistributable, hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and click the link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows, and then also consider to update your Windows. Click on the start button or right click at the start button, select settings. Go to Windows Update and simply click the button right here to update your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.